All right, we're in Abraham Lincoln's old home. So in this one, he actually lived here on 8th and Jackson, and he was here for 17 years. And for this one, they were actually here from 1844 to 1861. So it's pretty amazing that, you know, the home's still there.
It said back there on the sign that Abraham Lincoln purchased 2 lots for $300 back in the day.
Man. All right, we got an issue here.
We need tickets for the Lincoln House.
They sold out, didn't they?
They sold out.
So hopefully we can get some more.
Cross our fingers.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Hopefully they let us in. All right, so now we're at the visitor center trying to get some tickets. This Operation Abraham Lincoln. Ooh, yes! High five! Yes! Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Okay, what time does it start?
3:45. Might do your little kick again.
Whoa! All right, just wandering around Springfield. So this is actually the original neighborhood of Abraham Lincoln. And so, you know, we're taking a look, you know, we're just waiting for our turn to take the tour. So can't wait to see what's actually in there. Rosalie roaming the streets of Springfield. They actually used wagons such as this during the political rallies. If you can just imagine, you know, in the 1860s, have all these cars and all those people. Probably would have been faster if they used Facebook or Instagram. Doesn't matter what year it is, even in the 1800s, there's an Asian by a camera. There's Rosalie. Are you a featured photographer?
Yes, of course.
So let's see, you know, what's inside, and I'm pretty excited. All right, let's go. Hey, I'm some young fella.
Well, everyone, so this will be your sitting room. Otherwise, it's going to be kind of like the living room and family room for the Lincolns back then. But I want to keep in mind all kinds of activities that are going to be going on here. You'll have Robert, the oldest son, going to be sitting in that chair in the corner, maybe at that table. Going to be reading quite a few books back then, writing lots of letters too. Very smart kid. He's eventually going to go off to Harvard later on.
As you can see, here's one of the bedrooms. A nice little area here by the window. And the other thing that you notice too is the actual wallpaper. I think they recreated it to look like how it was previously. This one's actually Miss Lincoln's room. They said it was common back then to have 2 separate rooms. So this is Robert's room. Look over here. There's the kitchen, Rosalie. The kitchen of Abraham Lincoln.
So if you notice the channels on the side of the house, they all funnel into one area. That one area just happens to be their well water or rainwater. So what they'll do, it'll empty out into the well underneath the home, probably near where the cellar's at, and you just pump the well water out. And there you go, you got your fresh water.
I'm guessing not everybody has that.
No, that's like rich people status.
Baller!
What's at the outhouse?
That would be gross.
I can't believe you took a picture inside the toilet.
Potty cam!
Potty cam kill.
That's gross, dude.
So if you like what you saw, you know, please subscribe, like the page, and also we do have a Patreon link down below where we can send you actually postcards each month. So take a look at that. Again, thank you for joining. Bye!